ka AICS haki laitli ki jika hikai bantip yakakor computer hari Bhoi district ha Nongpoh ha Singh bat ha Bhoi rombong bantip khambnya wanmi haki institute jongi lade phun shangi tangkata rengi diru yakakor computer hakador ke babit bat kimar ki batip top.
So first of all, I welcome this Nongpoh who has visited our Puja Pandal here at Sri Ram Janki Mandir, and I want to express my gratitude to the people of Nongpoh, Bhoi district and entire Meghalaya. And I want to say also that we are celebrating this Durga Puja in this Mandir. This Mandir is very old, since 1944 this Mandir is here, and we have been celebrating Durga Puja every year here with peace, tranquility and brotherhood. This time also, this Puja celebration, we have the main motive is that, as we know, Durga Puja always stands for peace, it stands for brotherhood, it stands against evil. So we are marking this Puja this year in 2024 again as a victory of peace against evil that is prevailing in the world everywhere today. I again wish Goddess Durga that she will bless all of us who are gathered here, and also all people of Nongpoh area as well as the entire state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much.
Pidan kam projector ban pani film ne pidan kam projector nak banta ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru yue ar nyau lai